Right, so this is Wednesday today, second day of us starting to just look at revision for the mock. So really important. If you didn't manage to tune into today's live lesson and you're not late, then please contact me before I have to contact you. Would be great. Okay, let's get on with some more partial fractions then. Right, now I've called this video algebraic division, even though we're dealing with partial fractions, because when you've got something like this, where it can be put in the form where you've got the x squared, the x's and the numbers, but then you've also still got a bit over here. This means we've got a mixed number in effect, and in order to find out what d is, what we need to do is we need to use algebraic division to find out what the remainder would be, because the remainder, when we divide all of this by 2x plus 1, is going to be d. So we start off with 4x cubed, take 6x squared plus 8x, take 5, and we're going to divide it by 2x plus 1. Now, we were all quite good at doing this last year, so pause the video and give it a go before checking what's gone on. And if you did that, you probably found you got further than you thought you would, and it's not that bad. 2x into 4x cubed goes 2x squared. Then we multiply 2x squared by 2x to give us our 4x cubed. We multiply 2x squared by 1 to give us plus 2x squared. And then we take all of this from here, because what we're doing is long division. That loses the x cubed. Taking 2x squared means we're now going to have minus 8x squared. And we drop down the next term, the 8x. And we divide 2x plus 1 into 8x minus 8x squared, which gives us minus 4x. When we multiply negative 4x by 2x, we get the negative 8x squared. Just to check we've done it right, negative 4x times 1 is negative 4x. Be careful at this point, because when we take a negative we add, so that's going to give us 12x right there. We drop the minus 5 down to here and divide 2x into 12x to give us plus 6, and 6 times 1 is 6. When we take 12x from that we get nothing. When we take 6 from negative 5 we get negative 11, and that means that that is going to be d, because that is our remainder. So if we're looking at what we've got over here now, we've got a x squared plus bx plus c plus d over 2x plus 1. Our negative 11 is our d, and if I take all of these, 2x squared, take 4x and plus 6, they have found all of our coefficients there nicely for us. So we can say a equals 2, b equals negative 4, c equals 6, and d equals negative 11. And that's that one solved. Right, now that's all I'm going to show you for now. I'm going to give you a question to do, and I would like you to upload all your working for this. So that's this question here, so pause the video and write it down and all of that. If you're finding that you're not there, you can always follow through that playlist that I put on yesterday, and the two in particular that are really important for that are 1f, the improper algebraic fractions, and 1g, improper to partial fractions. What else could you do? Well, if you wanted to go into your revision guide, on the revision guide, page 58 is partial fractions, and there's some notes there and a couple of questions for you to do there as well. That would all be good stuff. All right, okay. See you tomorrow.